Millionaires are made in the bear market because why? The market will eventually recover, and by the time the market comes back roaring, you're sitting on a lot of money. I was listening to Tom Lee. Tom Lee said around December, Bitcoin can go as low as $60,000 before going to 250. So before going to 250K, it can go as low as 60,000. A lot of people are going to panic. I looked at the fear and greed index for crypto, and it was in the extreme fear. And I recall 2021, 22, no, it was not 2021, 2022, 23. I remember seeing the greed and the fear index around 7 and 8. And that would have been one of the most fantastic time to just buy crypto. And I'm seeing the opportunity repeat itself again. If you're a long-term believer in Bitcoin, if you believe that this is an asset that's going to appreciate over time, I would just be DCA-ing. Bitcoin is very volatile. If you don't believe that this is going to reach $1 million in the 2030s, then don't invest. But if you believe in the long-term thesis that this is an asset that I can just park my money and let it just preserve my wealth over time, then I'll buy Bitcoin. But that is me. I own Bitcoin, I own Ethereum, I own Cardano, Solana, and some bunch of other meme coins, okay? But I only invest the amount that I can afford to lose. A lot of people come into crypto and they want to make fast money. Like, no, if you don't have your 3 to 6 monthly living expenses saved up in a high yield savings account, if you don't have any debt, then you can play and invest it. So for me, I do stocks, I do crypto. Bitcoin went as well as I think 79,000 this week, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not even panicking. I'm not scared. I'm excited. I'm like, oh, I need more cash to buy this. Saying all of this, I know you could be like, oh, I'm saying the same thing every now and then because I've seen this play out before. The best time to buy is in the bear market. Millionaires are made in the bear market because why? The market will eventually recover, and by the time the market comes back roaring, you're sitting on a lot of money. So a lot of amateur investors or beginner investors, they want to buy when Bitcoin has gone to 150, 170, 180. And that is when the pro are literally taking their profit out of the market. Despite the fact that crypto is volatile, if you have some cash that you're willing to lose and you have a long-term thesis, I'll do Bitcoin.